Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to cut your losses and run in your profit. Well, this can sometimes be difficult, but in this video I'm going to show to you some of the techniques that you can cut your losses and run in profits. Well, if I say maximize your profits and min your losses, that would be great. That would be a great because most of the people do not most of the people, I don't think so, they understand cut your losses and run in. This is the short form of maximize your profits and minimize your losses. So let's get started with the video. Now as you can see that this is a major trend, uptrend, side trend, again a bit of correction, side trend, and then an uptrend. Now in these trends, uptrend, side trend, and now if you enter at any level, how to cut your losses at any level and run in profits. As you can see that I will take this area from the beginning, not this one, this one here. You can see that, as I've told to you, that whenever these type of signs occur at the bottoms, it means that the trend is going to change to an uptrend. It's going to change its direction. If it's a downtrend, it is going to be to change to an uptrend. If it's an uptrend, it is going to be changed to a downtrend. Always take a clear look at the candlesticks, because they tell you a lot of the story of what's happening in the trend, what's happening in the market, what are the buyers doing and what are the sellers doing. So it tells you all of that. Now in this case, as you can see that the buyers won, at this level, and the buyers won at this level. Now at this level you can see that the sellers won but showed weakness. Now in this case, strong bullish candles, you can see that the trend is moving in an uptrend. Now if you want to enter at these levels, enter at this level or this level, and what you can do is, there's a tool for this tool. You can, with the help of this one, you can, so I'm just showing this to you. I've pulled it up because I'm just showing to you how you can adjust this. Now you can see that this is the profit side and this is the loss side. You can adjust this according to your needs. Now I've adjusted it to 0.94 and I've entered into the trade at this level. Now you can make this unlimited, or however how much do you want. It all depends upon you. You can see that now these are unlimited profit, 110%. So I've adjusted this accordingly on how much I want. You can see this is the tool that you can use to to run in profits and minimize your losses. In short, I would say that if you want to enter into a trade at this level, that you must you must calculate your take profits and your risk management. Without that, it would be difficult for you to cut your losses and run in profits, because this is the only way of to do that. Now besides this, the support and resistance level, which I have showed to you in most of my videos, that comes later, but this is the most important of risk management and take profit. These are the important things. Let's say you have entered into the market at this level, you have take long position and you are still in doubt of what the market will do. So you can do your risk management from this level of 2%, because if the let's say if the market, for instance, the market goes down in the direction, so you'll have very much loss, you'll lose very much, no sorry, you'll lose too little and will exit out of the market in time. If the market goes in your favor, it goes in an uptrend, so with the help of take profit, you can know how much far the market will go, how much take profits you want, and then the market goes up. You just ignore these type of things, because these are the corrections, again correction, these are corrections or pullbacks, you can say. Now this is something you will have to notice. Now at this level, as you can see that the market starts to decline, start to change into a downtrend. It's a side trend at this level, yes, it start to change into a downtrend. Now if you have invested at this level and it came back to this level, then sell your wait for it to give you some to show you what results it will give you. Now at this level, sell your stock and short your position, because it changed to a downtrend. Well, you cannot say it's a downtrend, it's a major correction. I don't know if it's 10%, I haven't calculated it. It may be a correction, a 10% or 15% correction. So short your position in these type of areas, and also do your risk management for those type of for shorting your position. For risk management in a short position, what I usually mean is that if you have entered the market at this level, if you have entered the market at this level, what you can do is use this as your risk management and use this as your take profits for short position. Use this area as your take profits and this area as your short position. Now this is a great technique to use for trading in the stock market, and this is a great tool to use, because with the help of this tool, you can cut your losses and and run in profits. Now you can see again uptrend, again down, trading in a side trend, and then again an uptrend. Now at this level, as you can see that it is a major, it was a pullback. Now where it is, you can use the tools as much as you want, because they will show you of what is happening in the trend. Now at this level, 78% retracement level, it came down up till this level. What share? Yes. So it came down up to this level, and then after it started to move in an uptrend. So use all of the tools, use technical analysis, use support and resistance level, use each and every tool to make better profits, because this is the with the help of these tools you will profit. Without these, it is not that worth to profit, because as you can see, I've used a lot of tools to know how much profit it will give me and how much loss it will give me. So this is the way of knowing how to cut your losses and run in profits. Now this was one stock. Now let's take a look at the other. Well, these tricks are the same, only the trends and the trading style methods trading varies. You can see that this was a major uptrend. Now in this case, it is not necessary to do your risk management. Yes, one more thing, stop loss. Stop loss comes in risk management. This is your, let's say you have entered at this level, and this is your, where is it? Yes, this is your risk, this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit, how much you want to drag. This is your take profit and this is your stop loss. Now as the trend moves upward, you can move this along with that trend and adjust that. You can see that this is the stop loss. This is called trailing stops. You will profit from it a lot. You can see that you can move it like this. Sorry about that. You can move it in this, like this, to know how much profit it will give you. And in case from that level, if it start to decline, you'll have gained this much profit and would have exit the market on time. So this is also a method to use for trading. Now basically all of these concept, other than that, the concept is the same. You just it all depends on how much indicators you, how much the profit you want to make. This all depends upon you. Use that wisely, and also do your technical analysis, take profits, and also use indicators properly. Know how they function. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.